guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit audio on the CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a video along with the audio that I want. And to edit the audio, you can just click on the audio file. So let's say you want to trim the audio. So what you need to do is just go to where you want to split or trim the audio. Okay, let's say I want to delete the rest of the audio. So what I need to do is just using this split option. So this is only split without deleting, but I'm going to use this to split and delete the right part of the audio. Just click on this, and then the rest of the audio will be deleted. And here, if you want to adjust the volume of the audio, you can go in here under the basic tab. You can always adjust it to the left or right. And if you want to add some fade in effect, just adjust it like this. And this is for the fade out. And if you have noise in your audio, you can enable this option to reduce the noise. And you can also add voice effect by enabling this. And there are lots of options that you can choose to add to your clips. And here, if you want to adjust the speed of your audio, you can just swipe it to the left or right like this. To make it slow, just swipe it to the left, and to make it fast, just swipe it to the right like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.